How to create a sub-item in Notion? Step 1. Click on the database view name to open the menu. Step 2. Click Edit View. Step 3. Click here. Step 4. Rename the sub-item and parent item names. Step 5. Click Create. Step 6. Click this icon. Step 7. Click New Sub-Item. Step 8. You can fill in the same properties for sub-items as for any item in the database. You'll also notice 2 new relational properties have been created, showing how these 2 tasks relate to one another. Step 9. Click this icon. Step 10. You can even create subtasks within subtasks.